We all fail. On a weekly basis, I probably make bad decisions. I have definitely made bad decisions in business before, which cost me income, it cost me relationships. I've made bad decisions in relationships, in dating. I don't want to say I have regrets for what I've done because I did it. I created that for myself. So everything that I do, right or wrong, I put it on me. Everything is either my fault or my win. And yeah, I've had people, on my team helping me, and I have people that guide me through coaching that I hire out. But ultimately, the decisions on a daily basis, we all make ourselves. You can go to the gym for an hour a day and knock that off, but if you eat like crap 23 hours a day, you're not going to see results. The point of this video is that whatever you see out there in this world, it's just an illusion. Everything that you see is sort of an illusion. We're all fighting demons. We're all fighting these thoughts in our head that, we're not good enough, or we shouldn't even try, or nobody's watching, or who cares. And those are easy ways that your brain is telling you to just give up. Because your brain wants to keep you alive. It doesn't really care if you're successful. Your brain doesn't care if you're happy. It wants you alive. And the easiest way for your brain to stay at base level is for you not to exert yourself into new situations that might feel uncomfortable. Going up to that pretty girl, your brain's like, nah, this isn't a good time. She's busy, I'm just gonna bug her. Asking your boss for a raise. No, he looks really mad today. I'll have to ask him tomorrow. Your brain's fighting you. Your brain's telling you, no, don't rock the boat. Just stay where you are. And then what happens is the days turn into months, the months turn into years, the years turn into decades, and we get older. We start thinking about our youth. We start thinking about the things that woulda, coulda, shoulda, wish this happened, and it doesn't. I've had these thoughts recently. I'm 48, and am I where I want to be in my life? No. Am I in a good position to get those things I want in my life? Absolutely. I'm probably in a better position than most people, but I work a lot. My work-life balance sucks. It's straight work. And there are some days where I just want to be like, fuck this, I'm checking out for the day. But then there's that other part of me that says, no, just one more rep. Just do this one more thing. Create this one more video. It doesn't matter if it sucks, just get it out there. I kind of have this hope that whatever video you guys watch or whatever somebody sees me, it might just inspire them to be like, look at, this guy works his balls off, and he's positive. He's always willing to help somebody in need. He really just is trying to give the information that he's learned, experiences he learned along the way. He's just trying to give this to other people in the hopes that maybe it'll help them in a situation. And I only got this way by making so many failures and self-doubt and going through this process we call life. And the way I developed this channel, it's moving in different directions, but the way I developed this channel is that my demographic, is such that it's, literally 25-year-olds to 35-year-olds. They're not even in my age range, where they're gravitating this more than the older people. And I kind of think that the older people have been so beaten up by life, have been so desensitized to their own goals and own dreams, just thinking about their responsibilities that they have to do, that they sort of fall off. And so those people aren't really hearing my message. They're not really listening to me. It's the younger person who might be at that cusp where they're going one way. They don't want to go that way, but society's pushing them that way. And here I come saying, look, you can go this way. It's okay. It's against the grain. It's gonna suck. People are gonna laugh at you, but who cares? I always say this, in 100 years, will any of this matter? You know, it's sad to say, I'm 48. I don't have 100 years left. I probably don't have 30 years left. I'm 6'1", 220 pounds. My life expectancy is right around 70. I want to be in a position where I left it all on the field in whatever capacity I can. I want to just give my information to anybody who's willing to listen to it and just kind of give them permission. Yeah, I can do this. I can at least start this and go down this road and not do what society tells me I ought to do. This is your only life. So I want you to live it the way you choose, not the way other people have chosen for you. Not what your parents think, not what your friends think, not what your wife or girlfriend thinks. What you think, because at the end of the day, you got to look at yourself in the mirror and decide, yeah, I've done it all. Or you look at yourself in the mirror when you're 48 or 58 and realize life has completely passed you by and you were just existing and never living. I don't want that to happen to you. Just some things to think about. My name is Jared with Magnetic Men's Club, and we'll talk soon.